Welcome! In front of me I have Haylou RS3 and I'm gonna show you how to factory reset this watch by using the system settings on it. Before we start, if you want to factory reset your watch, make sure that the battery level on your watch is at least above 20 or 30%, because if the battery dies during the resetting process, it might damage your watch. Now let's continue with the reset. So first thing we need to do is to wake up the screen on our watch by pressing the upper button, and after you wake up the screen, you should see the current watch face, basically the home screen. Now swipe up on the screen to open the menu, then scroll down through the menu, find the settings icon, and once you find it, tap on it. In settings, scroll down, find the recovery option and select it, and here tap on the check mark to confirm and start the resetting process. And after a couple of seconds, the resetting process should be complete and you should see the QR code on the screen. And that's how you factory reset this watch by using these system settings on it. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.